Oh my goodness, jewelers, welcome, welcome, welcome. Today we are doing a multi-strand bracelet. You want to see it? You ready for this? Look at multi-chain, look at that multi-strand. It's so cute. I've never done anything like this before, and can I tell you, I was a little intimidated when I was like, okay, we're gonna do this, and it's so easy. It is so easy. Look how cute, and it blings, and it's so cute, so beautiful. It is so easy. I'm so ready. I keep saying so. I am ready to teach you how to make this, and your friends are gonna be like, hey, can you make me one? Hey, I'll pay you. Like, please. It is fabulous. It is fun. It is so blingy and sparkly, and it's easy. It's really easy. So let's get started in making this fabulous, easy, multi-strand, multi-chain bracelet. Let's go. This is what you're gonna need for this cute multi-chain bracelet. I always need your tools, so get out your tools. You're gonna need long nose pliers or round nose pliers, your cutter tools. I have jeweler cutter tools and electrician cutter tools. For material, we have wire. I have a 0.45. You can use a 0.3. It doesn't really matter, but I like a 0.45. I have my beads. I have 5 beads, my middle centerpiece bead, and then complementary beads. I have 6 chain that are 2 inches long each. Then I have my toggle clasp, and then I have 4 split rings and 2 crimping beads. So it's pretty simple. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna put our chain through our split ring. So take your first split ring, and then you are going to open it up, and then you're gonna put 3 chain on your split ring. So 1, 2, and then 3. So put 3 chain in your split ring. I'm going to grab my long nose pliers and I'm going to close up that split ring. Make sure there's no gap. If there's a gap, the chain will fall off and your bracelet will fall apart, and you do not want that. So I put my 3 chain on my split ring just like that. I'm going to do that to the next 3 chains. So go ahead and do that on your 1 split ring. Okay, so now we have chain and split ring put together. The next thing I'm going to do is, because it's easy, I am going to put my toggle on my chain. So I'm going to take my split ring, grab your split ring and open it up, and then put your chain through. So we're going to put our chain through. Try to do it in the order that you put it through in the other chain so they don't crisscross. So 1, 2, and then 3, and then you're going to put your toggle through, and you're going to close up your split ring. Make sure, again, there is no gap. Yeah, coming together. And you're going to just do that for the other side as well. So put your split ring through with your toggle clasp on. Okay, so now we're going to put our wire through our beads. Now this is an average size bracelet, about 7 inches. The medium size bracelet, medium size, average size wrist is about 7 inches. So this is about a 7-inch bracelet. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to get my wire. I'm going to put my beads through. Now that I have my beads through, I'm going to put my crimping bead on. I'm going to take, it doesn't matter which one you do, I'm going to take one of my chain and I'm going to take the end without the toggle and I'm going to put the wire through the split ring. So I put my crimping bead, my split ring with my chain on it, and I'm going to bend the wire around the split ring, and then you're going to put your crimping bead on. You're going to crimp that sucker, crimp it. And now you have a little extra wire, just leave it because you're going to just put it through your bead. Make sure it goes in your bead. Don't make sure the wire isn't poking out because it will poke the person that's wearing it. I'm going to put, yeah, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Put it on, and then we're going to cut it. I'm going to use my electrician wires to cut it. If you're kind of new to making jewelry, make sure you cut it longer than you want because you want to make sure that you have enough room to put the crimping bead on and your chain on and all that. So I'm going to cut it and then put my crimping bead through, put my split ring, and then of course put the wire around the split ring. Now here's where it gets a little bit tricky. Jewelers, jewelers, jewelers. This is where it gets a little bit tricky. I don't want a big gap. Look at this. I don't want my beads moving about. So I am going to grab the end of my wire that's poking out, and I'm going to pull gently, gently. If you're having a hard time, just keep wiggling and moving it and stuff, but I don't want a big gap. Now that I got my wire and there's not a gap anymore, the beads aren't moving, I'm going to crimp that bead. Crimp it. Now that's a lot. And so I am going to cut it and then put the wire through the bead. And there you have your bracelet. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. It's really light. It's so light and it's so pretty. People are gonna be drawn to your wrist. Oh, I love it. So I hope you loved it too. Thank you so much for tuning in. You know, I don't just do one piece of jewelry a week. I do a lot, but I take lots of pictures and I post it on my Instagram. I post it on my Facebook. I post it on my Pinterest. So you can go to those other sites and check out other things I've done and even the creation of the week. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Click here to subscribe if you want to know when I do other how-to jewelry making videos. And here's a video of mine. Here's another jewelry piece I've made as well for how-to videos. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for tuning in. Mwah! I love you and I'll see you the next time. All right, bye.